Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com. Well, David Dragon's with us and he's going to read this one because it's the final issue. We're looking at the final issue of the ImagineFX magazines, and this is issue number 38 for Christmas 2008. And well, David Dragon's been going through all the issues, so today we will find out which one is going to have the best cover. So let's go and have a look at this one. So last week we had this, which was absolutely beautiful. It's definitely top 3 cover of the month, it's cover of the year, this one. Beautiful. And I'll put links to everything in the description for these other ones. But my favourite cover so far has been this one, issue number 28 from March 2008, which was a Frank Frazetta special. But you know what, I'm thinking that one might be my favourite. I'm not sure. And that one as well. This is the thing. It's been absolutely fantastic this year of ImagineFX covers. So the final cover, is it going to let us down or be beautiful? Because this here, which is beautiful, is the back cover. And the front cover, David Dragon's going to throw it on the table. Hey! We finished with a dragon. I didn't know that. That's cool. Well, I can already say it's not my favourite cover. This is by Vance Kovacs. I don't know if you can read that. You can see that. Vance Kovacs. I can already tell it's not my favourite cover, but I love that we end with a dragon. So what I'll do next week is I'll go through all the covers and I'll pick out my favourite, and I have to pick a favourite, and it's going to be the hardest one ever. I can already tell that, because it's been, and this one here as well, it's been, if I had to sum up 2008, the ImagineFX magazines, I'd say the covers have been epic. And it's been like fantasy. If you're into fantasy, these covers have been beautiful. Yeah, I almost swore then, but David Dragon is going to get us in. Plop. And look, I love that as well. Very intense. And has anyone actually got purple eyes? Is it possible to have purple eyes, I wonder? But that's the regular cover. This is the subscriber cover. So it's quite cool, it is. Look, Mr. Potato Head there. Yeah, quite funny. Yay! Welcome to a cool issue, she says. Our editor, Claire. We've got loads of stuff in here. Look, there he is. Nick Harris. So he's going to help us as well. Now, look, I love that. That's, who's this, I wonder? I can't wait to see that. If that had been the cover, that would have won. You know that? That would have won, because we've got the sexy. I love the colours. You can feel the sun there. You can feel like the sun beating down on her. Whoever done that is unbelievable. Even got a little drop of water coming off of her toes. That is like perfection. Oh, look, that's Mario done that. The bloke from last week. The bloke who did that cover, last week's cover, he done that. It's called Exotic, the ballistic publishing book. It's unbelievable. Love that artist. And we've got like a witch here, look, a red witch. So this is the FX Pose section. I mean, how do they come up with these ideas? I can't believe it, look. How could you ever come up with that idea? I don't know how you can do it. Like the buildings are like people or something. It's madness. Look at that, he's gonna... Hey, look, cool. It's like a futuristic, it's like a bit like the, what's it called? Back to the Future car. Hover car. These are nice as well. Batman. Beautiful, isn't it? And we've got environments. I say it, I'm not really into, look, I would not like to live in that world. Could you imagine living in that world? That would be horrible. Who'd want to live in a world like that? Not me. She reminds me of Lollipop Chainsaw. Video game. What your art reveals about you. I want to read that. Does a picture paint 1,000 words about the artist's personality? Definitely. Especially the sketches. I feel like in the sketchbooks, you can feel the artist in the sketches. That's what I mean. It's all, hey look, oh yeah, that was my favourite Prince of Persia game. You had that lady with you. You had to help her through the level. Oh yeah. Oh, I'd like to see the artwork of that. I remember, I've got nothing but lovely memories of that game. That was on the PS3 and 360, that was. Watching The Watchmen, look. You've got adverts. You don't like adverts. Kim, look. You've got six arms and 4 legs. Craziness. ImagineFX Christmas special, look, Christmas offer. What did you get? Oh, you don't get nothing. It's just well, you get, look, 3 months for 12 quid. That's quite cheap. There's the artist Q&A. Oh, I like the I like that. Look, they haven't actually. It's like, I like that. They haven't really coloured it in. That's cool. I could imagine a load of those. Different colours though. One could have a little pink dress on or something. Then we got monsters. France Kovacs. Hey, look, they did the cover. That is a very aggressive looking dragon, that is. It is, it's one of like the most sort of scariest dragons. Oh, look, they did that witch as well. I like that. I like it when you see the whole thing, because it's like as if she's like part of the forest. That's cool, that is. Yay, sketches there. Dave Columbo. Huh. Life drawing sketches, yeah. And then we've got ImagineFX legend Yosataki Amano. Yoshimitsu from Tekken. A very interesting art style this one is. Look. What a weird art style. Tim Flattery. Artist portfolio. Got his oh, that's quite cool, I like that. And like I said, I'm not really into my spaceships and vehicles and things, but that is cool. I like that. What is that? Star Wars or something? It sort of reminds me of that reminds me of the blokes from Star Wars. It's Transformers, that is. They look like the blokes that wear those orange hats, helmets. This is a traditional art section. I want to see that. This is the workshop section. Oh, I like it like that with the white They should have done that on the cover. Because it looks almost like she's fading out of existence or something. That's cool. Who's this artist here? Henning Ludvigsson from Greece. Again, another artist I'd like to look into. Very nice and delicate characters. Oh, look! I love this artist. The devil's in the detail. Sketches, look. Alright, I hope the next one's this. No, I want it when aliens attack, look. Yeah, quite fun. There we go, look. Painting a sexy pirate. So she's a pirate. Oh, I absolutely love it. I like the I want to know what this is made in. Like, what is it? If it's a digital painting also. I love it. That might be my favourite image from the whole year. Who's the artist? Look, Marc Brunet. There's stuff on the DVD as well. God, look how her face evolved. It's weird, isn't it? Because she looks the same but different. So it's on the computer. I'm not sure what the package is. I want to know what the package is. Software, Photoshop, CS3 and Painter X. So it's done in Photoshop. Yay, look, here we go. Look at that. Look, when you see the whole thing together, it's just beautiful. Oh, I love it. Yeah. Even that little bit there is important because it's like creating the whole thing. And then next one we have, what's this here? Not sure what that is, but that will be next year. So that'll be 2009. ImagineFX Magazine's Forearms. This is the anatomy series they've been doing. We've got the forearms. What I like about this is it's very easy to see the shapes. You can really see how everything's just shapes. And the reviews. Is there going to be anything? Look. I'm sure that's Lewis Rodeo. Is there going to be anything in here which has hey, I've got that. The Fantasy Artist Figure Drawing Bible. They only give it 3 out of 5. I thought it was brilliant. It just shows you, doesn't it? Like everyone thinks differently about things. And this is it. Oh yeah. Look at that, look. The DVD had the that is unbelievable, that is, to me. Oh, I really wish that had been on the cover, because if that had been on the cover, it would have been clear winner. But what I've left with is I'm left with, I don't know, how can it be? These, for me, these are like 10 out of 10 covers, but somehow this one is somehow like more than 10 out of 10, which is impossible. So obviously these can't actually be 10 out of 10 covers then. It's a bit weird. But I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 38, the Christmas ImagineFX Magazine, Christmas 2008. So what I'll do next week is I'm going to go through all of the all of the issues, just really quickly picking up some of my highlights and things. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you later for another one.